honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to make some chicken, some legs and wings. And they were vacuum sealed with the marinade on them. So that seasoning has gone through and through them. And I'm making some spiral fries. I got this bag looking raggedy. These are from Aldi, I believe. So I'm gonna fix the potato first, and then I'll do my chicken. I'm gonna put these in the oven after they're done. So, because after my chicken gets done, I'm ready to eat. I don't want to wait for no fries. Okay. So what do I put it on? Frozen? Let me see how many. 380 for 20. No, it's too long. Frozen. That sounds about right. 350 for 10 minutes. I'm going to check it. And I didn't preheat this. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to bread my chicken and put it in this extra air fryer basket that they sent me. And you can now buy it on Amazon. They also sell this in the 3.7 quart size. So this one here is the 5.8 size. Is that right? 5.8? The big one. Okay, I'm getting ready to bread my chicken. So I don't know how many legs and wings are up in here. I'm using my hot chicken crack. Okay. Did I get all of it out? Yeah. It's really good. I'll leave a link for this in my description box. Okay. Break it down. Let me check on these potatoes. Good, smell good. Should have shook them. Okay, I got the chicken crack in here. This is my breader shaker bowl. I'll put a link for that too in the description box. I'm going to cut this open. Already marinated, seasoned. Look at that. What does this look like? What does it look like? You know not to ask me what I'm making. You already know what it's going to be. I'm putting it all in here at one time. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 legs and 3 wings. Okay, that's enough. Or if I have a wing. I'm gonna shake it. What you fixing? Let me see if it's breaded good. Yep, look at here, y'all. Perfect. Look at that.
What kind of chicken is that?
Hot chicken crack. Okay, y'all, I'm going to put this chicken.
Hot chicken crack.
You never heard of chicken crack? Huh. Have half a piece. Okay. I'm going to shake the excess breading off and put it in my spare fry basket. basket, you need to stagger the legs. One going one way, one going the other way. So they'll fit. And I'm not going to spray this chicken until it's ready to go in the air fryer. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. I'm not throwing away my breading. So don't y'all be telling me it's contaminated and all that kind of stuff. I'll take my chances. Ready to go in the air fryer as soon as the potatoes come out. Okay, I like that. Let me check on these. I don't want nothing sticky. I'm going to put some salt on them. Kosher. Coarse kosher salt. Just a little. Of course, water don't have them looking dirty with the salt and pepper. I'm gonna put some pepper on it. Fill this container back up. Regular black pepper. I didn't put any oil on these potatoes and they look good. Put it back in there. Let them finish cooking. And I had it on the frozen setting. I'll be back in 3 minutes. The chicken in there. And I'll be using some olive oil in my Evo oil sprayer. That Cooking with Doug got me. I'll be back. Okay, this just beeped. Okay, I'm gonna put these. Check this out. They look amazing. Put it on the stove for the time being. I'm gonna spray my chicken. Okay. Put it in there. This is still hot. See what I'm doing? I got the chicken arranged. So I got the legs and the 3 wings. Uh-oh. What am I doing? Y'all didn't see that. Y'all did not see me do that. Put the fry basket in the outer drawer. Now, okay, I see residue. I'm sticking my hand all in there and get myself burned. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna put it on the chicken setting. 380, 25 minutes, and press play. Okay. platter. I put this in the oven on the keep warm setting. Walter likes fries a lot. Just need a little rinsing. Let me taste this. Little curly fry. Yeah. Good. Put it in the oven. Okay, this is getting ready to turn off. It's on 1 minute. I got my curly fries in this plate that was in the oven. They're warm. Okay, shut off. Okay, push it back. Stop. Unplug it. Yes, yes, yes. And I know it's done because I cooked a lot of chicken in this air fryer. Legs. Both sides got nice and golden brown. I didn't flip it at all. I just sprayed the one side. Let's see what I'm doing. Let's check the legs. Trying to show y'all. Good and done. I always like to show y'all how the basket looks after I air fried chicken in it. Very easy cleanup. And my chicken looks even better. Ooh, that plate is hot. I almost picked it up and I would have dropped all my food, y'all. No, we can't have that. Okay, I'm trying to turn this around so y'all can see. My chicken cooked even better by me allowing the breading to sit on there for a few minutes while my fries got done. And this breading really got adhered to the chicken good. Oh, I don't want to drop it. Look at my platter of food, y'all. I'm so proud of it. Look at that chicken. Don't that chicken look better than it's been looking? It does to me. Yes, yes. I'm going to put my extra basket to good use. Woo! It's hot. I'm trying to pick it up. I'm going to get a thumbnail pic. Okay, this is my chicken and curly fries. Nice and done. Didn't flip it. That's how the underside looks. Ooh. Fries are crispy, curly fries. And Walter's a fry man. Okay. Got my thumbnail. Okay, y'all, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Y'all waiting for me to taste something, right? I'll take some of this skin off of this chicken. Crispy, crispy. Ooh. Ooh. Hot, hot. Get some of the skin. I better not drop it. Look at that. This was the hot chicken crack. In my opinion, it's not really hot. You can taste a hint of the spiciness. So I don't think, even people who don't like hot and spicy chicken, they would like this. Just the right amount of spiciness. But y'all know I can eat some hot food, so it don't seem hot to me. But it's good. It's good. Okay. I'm going for real now. I ain't gonna pick this back up. I might drop it. So y'all have a very blessed day. Bon appetit.